Alrighty, so I'm on day 5. I'll call part 1 of the Ford Ranger floor repair, patch repair here. So I pretty much, it's all welded in, as you can see. And I'm just going to knock down some of these welds. Here I'm using a 60 grit flat disc. And I'm just going to give it a try. I was thinking if I had some 40s around or 36s, but I didn't. So I'm just going to give this a try. This disc has pretty much seen its day, and I use it for like smoothing jobs on when I'm doing, when I don't have to take off such aggressive material. But this is a Hercules disc, and it's for a 4.5 inch grinder, and it's type 27 here. Okay, 1/4 inch thickness, 7/8 arbor. So same thing for a 4.5 inch grinder. So my goal is I'm going to grind down some of this stuff, fill in, re-weld some stuff, little holes that I find. And then I'm going to put some sealer on it, prime it, and paint it, and call it a day. And then we'll talk about some of the results and some of the findings I came about by doing this type of work. All right, so here I go. I'm just going to knock down a little bit. I just want to see kind of how this does. I like it a lot. Oh yeah. 40 grit would be even more too much on it, which I like, but 60 grit, I got a couple of these. Like I said, it's good to try new things, see what works best for you. With what we're doing here. So that's what we're all about. I want to keep constant improvement. Constant. But this job came out a lot better than I thought it would, to be honest. Yeah. I learned a lot in perfecting my fabrication of holding the metal. I enjoyed putting in the bead. And what I'm talking about is one of these beads here on that bike. You might have saw in another video. So I can put riveting, make the panel more rigid. Yes. So that was always good. Creative in that area. And I like being a little creative when I can. And I'm definitely going to do a little bit more welding here to fill in some of these low spots here. I can already see that. Too much of the weld, because then I'd be counterproductive, right? Alright. So this is what the disc looks like after what, a couple of minutes there. 5 minutes. Yeah, it eats it up pretty dang quick. So 40 grit might be a little bit better, 36 grit, but it is what it is. And versus this grinding wheel. Anyway, back on to other things here. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely throw in some more weld here. I see some little pinholes that I can touch up on, that the sealer would seal, and then onto primer, and then paint. So okay, so that was a quick video demonstrating both discs, and which, like I said, this is a flat disc Warrior brand 4.5 inch grinder, type 27, 60 grit. Right here, 60 grit, 60 grit disc. So maybe something for you to try. And they are Harbor Freight products too. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna get a little bit of welding action going on. Welded up some of that here, clean it up a little bit, and you guys stay able, because you are able to do this. If I can do it, you guys can do it better. Have yourself an Ablecraft day.